Hi guys, I'm just going to talk to you about different cleaning routines I've gotten a habit of. First, you make your goals of what cleaning routines you're going to do one day. So every second day you could do the floors, every third day you can do the bathroom, the laundry, and your bed. Every fourth day you could do a certain room in the house or the basement or whatever. But always choose your floors to do as well when you're doing your routine and cleansing. And one day you could clean your deck. I mean, it wouldn't hurt you to clean the deck. We forget to because sometimes we're just too busy or we have so many things to do. Try to arrange a day that you could do certain chores. Like one day you can do the floors or steam clean the carpets. And then the next day you could vacuum all the floors and carpets and underneath. And then another day you could steam clean the floors again. And then you could vacuum the carpets and the floors. It's not that hard. I do that. If you're going to steam clean, vacuum the floors. Always vacuum under the carpets, on the carpets, everywhere on the floors that you see that you need to get rid of the dust mites. After you're done that, take out your steam mop, use the distilled water in it, and steam mop your floors. You're going to sterilize the floors when you do that. And it makes a nice job when you do that, and you feel better. So do not hesitate to steam mop your floors because a steam mop is better than most mops. It does the job, it takes the footprints off the floors. And always wear socks if you're on the floors. Don't wear anything that will admit bare feet. You don't want footprints on your floors when you have guests over. Always hide the footprints if you have footprints and use a steam mop. It will sterilize your floors and remove the dust mites, but what will also remove the dust mites if you vacuum your floors often. It's really important to vacuum your floors from getting sick and allergens and colds and coughs. Always vacuum your floors. It will prevent the allergens going in the air when you have guests. Also, if you have nice scented things, have a nice scent in your home. Sometimes cleaning is going to be a drag for some. Some people will say, I won't bother, I'll hire a housemaid or a cleaner. That's true, but they're expensive. So you have to figure out what chores you can do during the week and what chores you don't do during the week and figure it out in your schedule. Everyone has a schedule.